We now start the last block of the Digital Competencies course. You will acquire the necessary skills to create and maintain a professional identity online. You will learn how to use LinkedIn, the most renowned professional network, to find and connect with related interest people, as well as contacting with potential employers. In this particular task, we'll get in depth with the digital identity.
Remember that we call fingerprint to the trace we leave on the internet. It's the fruit of everything we share, and the mutual interactions with others. We have seen many examples of how digital identity can help or hurt us, when looking for a job, or when building a good reputation online.
We will remember the recommendations we made in the previous tasks. We have insisted you to create a formal email address. We have advised you to take care of the content you share on your personal social networks. We have recommended you to register in new professional social networks. One of the main reasons why we give so much importance to digital identity is because it facilitates networking. That is, the digital identity favors you are in contact with professionals from your same sector, to exchange information, experiences, contacts, etc. Branding is a worldwide used English word that refers to the trading image. The term personal branding, therefore, refers to the management and effort that people make to build and maintain their digital image. That is, their fingerprint on the internet.
The goal of building a personal brand is to give us visibility on the network. For this, we need to have a communication strategy, and have previously considered the following questions. Why do I want to be visible? Who am I from a professional perspective? What do I want people knows about me? Which people do I want they to see me? Which information do I want to share? There is a big difference between using social networks for personal purpose, or doing it for professional use. If you use Facebook, Twitter or Instagram in a professional way, you must add contacts that are related to your sector, and not your friends. You shouldn't share photos or personal comments, and you should share professional images.
Benefits of having a good digital identity. The main advantage of a good digital fingerprint is to increase our prestige. That is, having a good reputation on the internet, both personally and professionally. A good reputation on the internet allows you to be connected with professionals in your sector, to be informed at any time, demonstrate your skills, and be visible to companies.
Apart from what we have already said before, there are some specific tools that will help you to have and maintain your brand image. Your personal branding.
One of the first questions we have to consider, when it concerns having a professional digital identity, is: what will be our brand name? How are we going to be named, both on social networks and the internet in general? This is an essential reflection.
Almost all social networks have an option that allows them to be used professionally. In Facebook, you can make a page instead of a profile. In Instagram, you can configure the account to see statistics on your publications. In YouTube, you can open a professional channel. Another option is making a professional or personal blog. This means having a kind of diary, where we talk about a specific topic. A blog is a web page, where added entries are the new articles you write. These articles may be only text type, or may be accompanied by images, or videos you upload to YouTube. The advantage of the blog is that allows you to extensively write on a topic.
There are several pages that allow you to create a blog in an easy and professional way, and totally free. We recommend Blogger and WordPress. Blogger belongs to Google, and you have access to it from the time you created your email account in Gmail. WordPress is a more professional blog service. A little more knowledge is required, but gives very good results.
Having a website of your own implies being fully aware of the importance of a good digital identity. A blog can be used as a web page. If you want to have a personalized address, for example, www.johnsmith.com, you will have to pay to contract an exclusive use domain. Any of the tools described are good to start with. I recommend you to ask for tips to others regarding your Facebook page or your blog. It would be advisable that your acquaintances, or someone who has used your services, write into your account to comment about your work. The others' opinions are what the user most values today.
How to erase my digital fingerprint. What happens if there are contents of mine on the internet that I want to be deleted? Since 2014, there is the right to erasure, due to a judgment of the Court of Justice of the European Union. This means that Google must delete the search results that contain your name, although the contents may continue appearing on the web pages of origin. To disappear from them, you have to contact these websites and request them to remove this content. In this task, we have extended our knowledge about the digital fingerprint and its importance when creating a good online reputation for job search. We have known about new tools to help us to improve our digital identity. And we have also learned what is the right to be forgotten on the internet.
From now on, before sharing a photo or a comment on your social networks, think about who this content will reach. Building a digital identity that will help us find or improve our employment is a slow task that will require a lot of effort at the beginning. Once you have started, you will see that there is no turning back, and you won't want to leave doing this way. Go ahead.